Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u du. This one that is about 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 colon here, and we can find the value of u, that is about number 8. When s equals to number 6, I will put number 6 colon here, and we have u equals to number 10. So number 0 we change for number 8. Number 6 we change for number 10. The square root we change for u. S ds we change for u du. So this one we have number 1. The integration of du, that is about u. And I will put the bounds from number 8 to number 10. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.